Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. When you like to get a gift card like this one, whoa, for doing something simple that you do all the time, I'll show you. Would you like to get a gift card to get some of your favorite coffee? Hey, everything's so expensive. Nothing like getting things for free. I will show you. Free merchandise lady want to show you how you can get what you want at Walmart. What a great way for something that you do every day or a couple of days a week. Never know. But guess what? Don't cost anything and no skills. What is it, free merchandise lady? Stay tuned. I believe this is a great way to get Nike shoes. And it don't cost you anything. It's a great way. No skills, no money required. What you need to do, this is the free merchandise lady. What you need to do is hit on that link below. And also watch the other videos of free merchandise lady. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that. I'm showing you how to get all these things. And it don't cost you anything. Just click on the link below and it will take care of the rest. Free merchandise lady here to help. And thanks for watching.